Welcome back to the XXOTO software tutorial series. Today, I'm going to show you how to use the text function, which lets you add custom text to your designs. This is perfect for branding, like adding your logo, or for creating personalized designs with custom text on wraps or decals. Let's dive into how to use it. 1. Click on the text function and a dialog box will pop up. 2. In the text field, type the words you want to add to your design. For example, let's go with Model S. 3. Next, choose your font family. Just a heads up, XXOTO uses the fonts installed on your system, so if you want a special font, make sure you install it on your computer first, then restart the software. 4. Set the letter size. The maximum size is 72, but if you need the text to be bigger, you can use the combine and scale functions afterward to adjust it. 5. Leave the spacing as default for now. You can always tweak the spacing manually later by using the Ungroup tool and dragging each letter. 6. For position X and position Y, click the Get Position button, then click anywhere on the screen to set the text location. The coordinates will automatically fill in, placing your text exactly where you want it. Once you've set everything up, hit OK and your custom text will appear on the design. Once the text is confirmed, it will automatically be in an ungroup state. If you want to adjust the text position, size, or even modify its shape further, you can use tools like Move Point, Pen, or simply drag and resize it as needed. And that's how you use the text function in XXOTO software to make your designs more personalized. Keep exploring and don't forget to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.